All right, what's up, guys? Your Black Rider here with
Shafir, but everybody calls me Shaft.
Nice, my man. All right, he's giving me the time and his car for a couple of hours to film. It's a Ford Focus RS. He's just going to explain to me what he's done to the car and what he's going to do to the car. So, what have you done to the car?
Yeah, what have we done to the car? It's like you said, Filippo, it's Ford Focus RS3 Mark III or RS Mark III. It's from 2017 to 2018. It has been, we have done a lot of things, but actually it was the old owner that has done everything, but I have also added a couple of things. But for example, we have TRC, the skirts, side skirts, down skirts, back skirts. We have a Dream Science. I think it's stage 1.5, stage 2, with a Dream Science map control system unit. So I've got around about right now 400 bhp.
Nice.
Yeah.
And torque?
Torque round about the same, 450 or something like that, round about like that. Yeah, round about. I don't have the exactly numbers, but
We say it's almost the same.
almost the same. Yeah,
That's pretty good.
But-
Four-wheel drive, right?
four-wheel drive, 1,300 kilos, so there is not a lot weight on it, so it's pretty quick. We have, for example, the old owner has done a short shift. We have a Ram Air open filter. We have air intake from Velocitec with LED lights, as you can see. This one I have installed it newly for 2022. We have KMS section 18, the exhaust system from the Cat and backwards, with 5 inches silver tails. You can see it on the picture maybe, or on a movie. Yeah, exactly. We have on Swedish motorbussningar, harder. Yeah, we have huh?
Motor mounts.
Motor mounts. Thanks, Filippo.
No worries, man. I'm here for you.
Yeah. And we have some design some design features we have done. For example, the lights, I don't know if it's LED lights. We have the back tail lights, it's LED. We have the mirror lights, it's like floating mirror lights, and carbon fibers, or pretty as carbon fibers.
As close as you can get to carbon fiber.
As close you can get it, yeah. And for the next year, I don't know, maybe change it, maybe change the downpipe. I don't know, it's hard, it takes a lot of time.
Right? Yeah, that's what we spend our time.
Yeah, exactly. We spend the time on the cars during the winter because it's sleeping from November until April. So we have a couple of things to do. Maybe change the intercooler to a bigger one. Then I've got maybe probably around about 420, 430 brake horsepower. Yeah.
Nice, man.
But it depends on the money, on the time, and
Especially now with the money, right?
yeah, exactly.
Now with the economic crisis that we have in this is
Exactly.
cars is very hard to maintain.
Exactly.
And do something else.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm not sure if we're gonna give you the videos before or after this. You just gotta keep on watching. I thanked him for the time. I'm gonna link his Instagram, so go follow him, show him some love, show the car some love.
Thanks.
If you want to have the same thing, it's winter in Sweden. It's very hard. We fight through rain, wind over 2 days, and we made it. So I'm very thankful he's
Yeah.
this time and be with me. And
Thank you very much, Filippo.
thank you, my
The
man.
best man.
From the Black Rider, I'm out and
From Shaft, I'm also out.
peace.
Peace.